In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an announcement on Slack. Whether you're a team leader, project manager, or just someone who needs to get an important message out to a large group, making an announcement on Slack can be an efficient way to communicate swiftly and effectively. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to share your announcement with the entire team. First, you want to head over to the Slack website. This is where you'll manage all of your communications and workspaces. Be sure to use a web browser you're comfortable with and type the URL directly into your address bar to ensure you're accessing the official site. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll notice a Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the Sign In page. For those who have multiple Slack accounts, make sure you select the appropriate workspace where you intend to make the announcement. When you reach the Sign In options, click on Google. Slack integrates well with Google accounts, making it a breeze to log in. A new window will likely pop up prompting you to sign in using your Google account credentials. Enter your email and password associated with your Google account and proceed to log in. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Slack home page. This is your central hub for all things communication within your workspace. If you're not already on the home page, you can easily navigate there by selecting the Home option from the main navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Next, it's time to locate the specific channel you want to make your announcement in. Channels are where team members gather to discuss projects, share ideas, and keep everyone updated. Navigate to the appropriate channel by either scrolling through your list of channels or utilizing the search bar at the top of the sidebar. With your channel open, it's time to draft your announcement. Slack allows you to reach the entire channel effortlessly by using @everyone. This command is crucial because it tags all members in the channel, ensuring no one misses your message. After typing @everyone, feel free to write out your announcement message clearly and concisely. To give your announcement message that extra emphasis, highlight the text of your message and make it bold. This not only makes your message stand out, but also highlights its importance to all channel members. Use the formatting options just above the text box to apply bold formatting. Once your message looks good and stands out as intended, simply hit the Enter or Return key to send it. And there you have it, your announcement is live, reaching everyone in the channel instantaneously. You've successfully made an announcement on Slack, and anyone in the channel will see your message tagged with that @everyone, ensuring maximum visibility and impact. Thanks for tuning in and happy announcing.